I bought this seat bracket for my new seat, and it's not right. It's a manufacturing issue, and I didn't want to wait again for the long lead time and availability, and then a quality issue also. So that flange pointing up there needs to be about, it needs to be 90 degrees, but it's only about 85. So when you bolt it on the seat and you go bolt it to the seat rails, it binds up. So I'm thinking, how the hell am I going to make one? Because I'm just going to make it myself. So I got a little creative here. And so what I did is I cut this flange off, boom. And then I used that as a pattern. And what I did is I put blue tape on this piece of 4x4. And then I traced it and marked all my holes and center punched and drilled and countersunk all my holes. Then what I did, once I had all my holes, I figured out my radiuses that I needed. And this piece right here was the center section there. And what I did, as you'll see here, is I used a hole saw there and cut it and got my radius. And then I used my cutoff wheel here, and then on this right here, I put it in my power bandsaw. As it went down, I stopped it. And same with over here. Then I was able to remove the section. So what this is a piece of 4x4 120 wall. And as you can see here, I got a nice radius, so it'll look really nice on the finished product. So once I got all that done, here's the finished product right here when I got done with it. And it turned out really good. So the slot holes was a little bit of an adventure. Those are all hand filed there. To do it, what I did is I went to the center line of the holes, and then I moved and drilled the hole size I needed. And the holes are perfectly straight across here. So then I had to offset the hole an 1/8 inch each way. And then I took a 3/8 hand rasp or round file and just was careful and it slotted it. But anyway, it turned out really nice and it works perfect. And as you can see here, I have a perfect 90-degree bend, and cosmetically it looks really good. And everything here, all the holes, everything are chamfered. They're nothing special here. I just used it on my drill press here. I don't have my mill up and running right now, but I just have this little chamfer tool. And then here's a center drill for pre-drilling my holes. And for the bigger holes here, chamfered. And I really like these unibits they've come out with. As long as you don't screw up, you're okay. You know, you have to change drill bits so much. But anyway, they work really slick. You set your stop here on your quill of your drill press, and you can just go right through it. Anyway, this is just another project I just completed, and I might just spray it with some of the Gibbs oil and it won't rust, and keep it the mechanical look. It really looks good on the seat, or else paint it, get it powder coated. Anyway, I guess what I'm trying to say is if you have any type of skill set, you have issues, you can do it, you know. And it's only going to cost you time. And in today's world right now, the way things is, it's a good thing. Anyway, Donna knows where I'm at.